हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मुझे पता है आप लोग बहुत टेंस है क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम आने वाली है और प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुआ है। खैर, टेंशन को ख़त्म कीजिए। मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए 85 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम वन चैप्टर विच इज़ सोलर सिस्टम। और मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि ये आपको हेल्प करेगा। और चूँकि ये मैंने खुद के लिए बनाया था, कभी नहीं अभी ही बनाया था। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कब का है, ये कब का नहीं है, बस ये कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने बनाया है, तो मैंने सोचा आप लोग के साथ शेयर करूं। और मैं चाहूँगी कि आप लोग भी ये सारे MCQ शेयर करें जिन्हें ये ज़रूरत है। सो आई विल नेवर टेल यू टू लाइक और कमेंट, बट येस, प्लीज़ शेयर माई वीडियो एज मच एज पॉसिबल to the one who needs it very much. Thank you. Let's see my 85 objectives. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो मुझे बताइएगा, तो मैं और सारा बनाऊंगी। ओके, आप लोग के लिए। One star visible during day, sun. Name the closest star to Earth, sun. Which star is known as head of the universe? Sun. How many planets are there in solar system? 9 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Name the orbit on which all the planets and asteroids revolve around the Sun. Elliptical orbit. What force keeps all the revolving planets revolving? Gravitational force, as we all know. Number 7th is mass of a sun, 2 into 10 power 33 gram. Number 8, name the most massive planet, Jupiter and Saturn. Number 9th, planet and satellite with no atmosphere, Jupiter, Mercury and Moon. Number 10th, which planet are known as inner or terrestrial planet? 4 planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Number 11, name the Jovian planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Pluto. Number 12, outer planet are mostly gas and ice with an average density of 1 or 2 gram per centimeter cube. इसे आप एक सेंटेंस की तरह पढ़िएगा, जब ऑब्जेक्टिव आएगा तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। चलिए, नंबर 13, inner planet consist mostly of metals and rocks and have density of 4 or 5 gram per centimeter cube. Number 14, Sun rotates about its axis once every 25 days. Number 15, dark patches appear on the surface of the sun are called sunspot. Number 16, by whom the sunspot was first recognized? Galileo Galilei. Number 17, what is the reason that sun consists of gases almost 1000 degrees Celsius? The reason is sunspot. Because of sunspot, it consists this much of gases. Number 18, in how many years number of sunspot increases or decreases? It's in a cycle of every 11 years. Number 19, name the layer which form the visible surface of the sun. Photosphere. Number 20, name the innermost layer of sun. Core. Number 21, from where core gets energy? From nuclear reaction. Number 22, stream of electron and proton continuously flow out from the sun's atmosphere and travel across solar system is known as solar wind. Question may arise, what is known as solar wind? Number 23, what is known as aurora borealis? A reaction of charged particle with atoms of the earth's atmosphere to produce northern lights is known as aurora borealis, and at southern lights are known as aurora australis at south pole. Number 25, which planet is known as morning object in the eastern sky? Mercury. And which planet is known as evening object in the western sky? That is also Mercury. Number 26, which planet is distinct than moon? Mercury. Number 27, which planet has no satellite as well as no atmosphere? Mercury. Number 28, temperature of Mercury is plus 427 degrees Celsius on the side facing the sun to a low of almost minus 27 degrees Celsius on the dark side. Name the nearest planetary neighbor. Venus. Number 30. How many months does an observer require to see all phases of Venus? 20 months. Number 31. Venus can be best seen about 3 hours after sunset when it is a night object, or about 3 hours before sunrise when it is morning object. Ignore the overriding of numbers. Concentrate on the question. Number 32. From where the high surface temperature of Venus come through? Greenhouse effect. Number 33. How does the surface temperature rises? Due to infrared radiation when heated by sunlight passes through the clouds and atmosphere of Venus. मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, कुछ सेंटेंस है जिसे आपको थोड़ा लर्न करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इस तरह का आ सकता है. अगर आप लोग पढ़ के रहेंगे तो आंसर कर पाएंगे इजीली. Number 34. Large dark area on Mars surface is called Maria, which means sea. Number 35. Except Earth, on which planet seasonally changing pattern occur? Mars. Number 36. Who observe an intricate network of single and double line axes crossing the bright area of the planet Mars? The Italian astronomer Schiaparelli. Number 37. Who gave the name Canelli? Schiaparelli. What does Canelli in Italian mean? Channel or grooves? Number 39. Which planet has enormous volcanoes? Mars. Number 40. Name the largest volcanoes on Mars. Olympus Mons or Mount Olympus. Number 41. How does Mars is red in color? It contains about 60% of the soil is made up of iron oxide, giving its red color. Number 42. Name the planet which is very cold. Mars. Name the planet which has a very low atmospheric pressure. Mars. आप लोग सोच रहे हैं ये तो क्वेश्चन लिखा नहीं है, बट मैं ये सेंटेंस खुद के लिए बनाई थी कि मैं इस तरह आंसर कर पाऊँ. सो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन और आंसर में कन्वर्ट करके बता रही हूँ, आप लोग लर्न कर लेना इसको. Number 44. What are hostile to familiar forms of life in Mars? Cold, extreme dryness, intense ultraviolet rays, and little oxygen. How many satellites are there in Mars? 2 satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Number 46. What is asteroid? Is a gap of 547 million km between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Number 47. When was the first asteroid discovered? In 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi. Who named asteroid as Ceres? Giuseppe Piazzi. Number 49. Who may be the product of collisions or an explosion? Asteroids. Number 50. Streak of light across the sky is called meteor. Number 51. The object that are large enough to survive the flight and hit the Earth's surface called meteorites. Number 52. Name the largest planet of the solar system. Jupiter, also known as Brihaspati. Number 53. Which planet seems to be mass more like the Sun in its composition? Jupiter. Number 54. What is the most outstanding feature of the surface of Jupiter? The Great Red Spot. Number 55. What is a huge cyclonic disturbance in the atmosphere? Red spot. 56. How many satellites are there in Jupiter? There are 4 satellites. Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto are called Galilean satellite after Galileo had discovered. So it can also come, name the satellites there in Jupiter and who discovered them. Okay, 2 questions इसी में attached हो गए, आप लोग थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिएगा. 57. What are considered essential to the formations of life? Water, ammonia and methane. 58. Name the 6th planet. Saturn. आप लोग ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं, 6th from S and Saturn is from S. So 59. The density of Saturn is less than that of water. So question may arise, what is the density of Saturn less than the water? Less than that of water. Okay, number 60. Name the planets having ears. Saturn. Number 61. What does the ring of Saturn is made of? Rings made up of large chunks of solid matter, probably ice-coated rocks. Number 62. Name the planet appear as green and why. Uranus, its colors is produced by the large amount of methane and ammonia cloud in its outer atmosphere. Number 63. Uranus is made up of gas such as hydrogen, helium and methane, just like Jupiter and Saturn. Number 64. Which planet is known as unique in the solar system? Uranus. You can write the reason, learn the reason also. Number 65. Name the 8th planet and who discovered when. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by astronomer Johann Gottfried. Number 66. Name the satellite of Neptune. Triton. Number 67. Triton is accompanied by smaller satellite Nereid. So number 68 is size of Pluto is 1/5 of the size of the Earth. 69. Pluto's surface is coated with frozen methane. Question may arise. Okay, so read this sentence. Number 17. When was the satellite of Pluto discovered? In 1978, Pluto satellite Charon was discovered. Number 73. As the comets move toward the sun, some of its frozen material turn into gas, forming a rapidly growing cloud called head or coma. 74. Name the famous comets. Halley's. Name the most familiar planet. Earth. Bluish white sphere is it color. Name the layer which absorb the harmful UV rays from the sun. Stratosphere. Earth crust is made up of oxygen and silicon. Crust is the topmost part of which layer? Lithosphere. Number 79. Earth's rotation on its axis once every 24 hours. Number 80. What are the reasons of regular season on Earth? Earth axis of rotation is tilted at an angle to the normal. Number 81. Moon revolves in an elliptical orbit around the Earth once in 27.33 days. 82. Moon surface has flat dark expanses called maria. Number 83. What formed the initial atmosphere? Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane and ammonia. How does ozone layer formed? Higher up 3 atoms of oxygen combined to form ozone molecule and so ozone layer was formed. Number 85. Earth has a special relationship with sun. So hope you like this video. Please show me some love.